I don't care how skilled you are or how much you've improved.
There will be moments when the wheels come off.
Times when everything that can go wrong will.
That's life. It brings the unexpected, the uninvited, the blow you never saw coming.
You've been hurt. We all have. Wounded emotionally, shaken spiritually.
Maybe it's your business collapsing. Maybe it's your heart shattered into pieces.
Maybe it's the number in your bank account screaming a truth you don't want to hear.
You can break physically. You can break mentally.
You can break your heart and you can break your spirit. And that breaking will leave a scar.
But listen to me. That scar can be a tattoo of triumph or a brand of defeat.
The choice is yours, because it's in the staying, in the enduring of the breaking, that you find the blessing. And
what you go through does not decide your destination.
It's not the hardship that defines you.
Where are you? We're waiting. Hello?
One is the voice of wisdom. The other is the scream of worry. One is the whisper of gratitude. The other is the roar of grumbling. One points the finger of blame. The other extends the hand of faith.
Every time you break, in every way that you break, you stand at a crossroads.
One path leads to surrender, to falling apart.
But the other path leads to a new version of you.
It's the chance to get stronger, smarter, tougher.
To build a stability that cannot be shaken, and a resilience that becomes your superpower.
so I need you to do this one thing. Find one reason to take one more step.
A person, a dream, memory, a promise.
If you can find that reason, I know you are strong enough to continue.
Why? Because you are human. And built into your very DNA is the
strength to overcome if you make the decision to push through.
Tragedy and trials come for everybody, but only the strong survive.
The fight isn't over. It's just beginning. And this is your moment to show the world, and more importantly, to show yourself what you are truly made of. Look that sickness in the eye. Stare down that failure. Face that fear.
And I want you to declare, this will not break me.
I can beat it. I will beat it. I must. You have a family to live for.
a purpose to fulfill. Your story is not over yet.
There are some victories in life that don't require a degree, or money, or a support system.
They only require a decision. The decision that, no matter what, you will get through this. Regardless of the adversity, the opposition, the pain, nothing external can stop you. The only thing that can stop you is the decision to quit.
So I am not retreating. I am not running. I don't care what the odds say. We live by this code, and we die by this code. We do not retreat. We do not run.
We stand. We fight. And everyone will know what we represent.
Be encouraged today. No matter how broken your marriage seems, no matter
how many times you failed, there is a spirit within you
that is greater than any storm surrounding you. If you are willing to fight,
The dream that seems deferred, I am telling you, on the other side of.
That fight awaits a victory that will redefine you.
And as you crawl, bloody and bruised, out of that pit of despair, as you rise from the ashes of who you used to be, and step into the power of the
who you were meant to become, you will realize a profound truth.
in the very act of standing up, in the very act of fighting on, you were not being destroyed.
You were being forged. You were being refined. You were being built.
And you will stand, not as a victim of your struggles, but as their master.
You will become, and you will forever remain unbroken.